What's up, YouTube? And today's video is a little short and quick one. So on the Q50 today, we got a bunch of carbon fiber goodies. As you see, we just installed the first one, carbon fiber spoiler. Check it out. Super sick. As well as we have I think it's inside the car.
You were in the clip with the car seat.
As well as, guys, we have a honeycomb carbon fiber diffuser and carbon fiber splitters for the side of the car. So we're going to be installing those as well in today's video. So it's going to go right here, the diffuser. And then we have these one-piece regular black ones. So we're going to be taking those out. And as well as we're going to be putting a lip on the front of the Q50 today as well. So we'll show you how that looks on the Q50 later on today. All right, guys, so now we're going to be installing the diffuser. As you see, we got it used, but overall looks pretty cool. Honeycomb diffuser on the Q50. I got my girl right now checking up the car, and I'm doing something on my car as well, but that's not important. But so far, she's coming along pretty well. All right, guys, so here's a little quick mock-up of the diffuser. Looks pretty sick. So we're gonna install it right now. Use 3M tape and use some screws, and then obviously we're gonna make it go a little bit higher so it doesn't hit the tips. But overall right now it looks pretty cool. Check it out, guys. So the diffuser's on. Pretty simple, just screws and double-sided tape is all you really need. So this side has a little extension. Pretty cool. So the whole rear end is coming together. All we gotta do now is the other side and then the side skirts. All right, guys, check it out. So they're both on each side. So let me give you a back shot of how it looks. Check it out. Looks pretty sick. Real carbon fiber. Super sick. Now we are doing the front eyelids, trying to bring them back to life. As you see, sanded it, but need more work. So right now I think we're going to be installing the splitter or the side skirt. We'll see which one we do first before it rains, and we'll carry on the video wherever we decide. And just like that, the new carbon fiber spoiler is on. As you see, we have the same ones right here. We used the same hardware as the gloss black one. Here's the other side. Pretty nice. Gives it a pretty cool look. See, with the back fin right there. Goes all the way. And now we are doing the splitter, as you see. But we're doing this in the rain because, bro, we've been waiting such a long time to put this stuff on. But now we are getting to it. But overall, it looks pretty sick with everything on. And just like that, the front lip is on, side skirt's on, and you can see the rear diffuser's on. Check out the front lip. I think it was 45 bucks. Looks pretty damn good, 45. Let's see how long it lasts. But it gives the front of the car such a cool character. Looks sick. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's pretty straightforward. Everything was already pre-drilled in the rear. The side skirts were pre-drilled. That I used the drill, jacked it up, used the drill, and just put the bolts on. It's pretty simple how to install this stuff. Nothing too hard. You don't need to go to a shop. All you need is some house tools. But overall, the car looks pretty sick. Lip all the way around. Gives it a sexy character. Clear towels. Looks pretty dope. It's my girl's car. She's happy. Overall, looks amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take care. See you in the next video. Should have this out maybe after that. But overall, looks pretty sick.